Favorite foods. Hello and welcome back to Happy Smile English. Today, let's talk about something delicious, our favorite foods. I love food, and I can talk about it all day.
Great topic. I love food too. Sometimes I feel like my stomach is my best friend.
So tell me, what is your number one favorite food?
I think my favorite is pizza. It's simple, warm, and makes me happy every time.
Pizza is amazing. I like it too, especially with cheese and mushrooms. Do you like many toppings?
Yes, but not too many. If there are too many toppings, my pizza becomes confused.
That's funny. I like pizza because it's easy to eat. You don't need a fork or anything fancy.
True. And you can eat it anywhere, at home, in the park, or even in the car.
What about sweet foods? Do you have a favorite dessert?
Yes, ice cream. I can eat ice cream in any season, even in winter.
Same here. Ice cream makes everything better. What flavor do you like most?
Vanilla. It's simple, soft, and perfect. What about you?
I love chocolate flavor. It tastes rich and strong. I feel happy with just one spoon.
Chocolate is great too, but if I eat too much, I feel like I'm turning into a chocolate bar.
That's a funny image. Now I'm imagining you as a big chocolate bar walking around.
Please don't eat me. I'm sweet, but not for eating.
Okay, I promise. But let's talk about real food again. Do you cook, or do you mostly buy food?
I cook sometimes, but I'm slow and the kitchen becomes a big mess.
Cooking takes practice. When I started, I burned everything, even water.
How do you burn water?
I don't know, but I did. My pot was very angry.
That makes me feel better. Maybe I'm not the only bad cook.
You're not. We all start somewhere. What dish can you cook well?
I can make fried rice. It's easy and I can put anything inside.
Fried rice is a great choice. It's fast and tasty. I make it when I'm tired.
Same here. It's my I'm lazy today food. Very helpful on busy days.
You know, favorite foods often come from childhood. When I was little, I loved noodles so much. I could eat them every day.
Really? I loved noodles too. My mom cooked them for me when I felt sad, and they always made me smile.
That's sweet. Food can make memories feel warm again. Do you still eat noodles often?
Yes, but now I try to eat healthier. If I eat noodles every day, I feel sleepy at work.
I understand. When I eat too many carbs, I want to take a nap immediately. My brain goes, sleep now.
Same here. That's why I sometimes eat fruit. It keeps me fresh and awake.
Good choice. I love fruit too, especially mango. Mango tastes like summer and sunshine.
Oh yes, mango is amazing, but sometimes it's too sweet for me. I feel like I'm eating candy.
Do you have any food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like very spicy food. When I eat it, my face becomes red like a tomato.
I like spicy food, but not too spicy. If it's very hot, I start crying and my nose becomes a fountain.
I know that feeling. One time I ate spicy soup and I drank 3 glasses of water.
Did the water help?
No, it made everything worse. I learned my lesson that day.
What about snacks? Do you have a favorite snack?
Yes, I like potato chips, but if I open a bag, I cannot stop. I eat Everything.
Me too. Chips are dangerous. They disappear too fast.
I try to control myself, but my hands keep moving. They don't listen to me.
Maybe your hands love snacks more than you do.
Probably. I should give them a warning next time.
Do you eat out often or do you prefer home-cooked meals?
I eat out sometimes. It's quick and easy, but home food feels more comfortable.
Yes, home food has a different feeling. It tastes like care and love.
Exactly. Even simple food tastes better when someone cooks it for you.
You know, sometimes food is not just food. It can be a whole experience. Have you ever tried a special dish for the first time?
Yes, once I tried sushi. I was scared at first because it was raw fish, but it tasted fresh and soft.
Sushi is great. The first time I tried it, I didn't know how to use chopsticks. My sushi fell on the table.
That happened to me too. I tried to pick it up again, but it kept running away.
What is a food you want to try someday?
I want to try real Italian pasta in Italy. I think it tastes better in the home country.
Yes, that's true. I want to try French desserts in Paris. They always look beautiful, like art.
Food that looks like art is dangerous. I want to look at it forever, but I also want to eat it.
Same here. But in the end, I always eat it. My stomach wins every time.
Do you have a dream meal? Something big, special, or crazy?
Yes, I want to try a giant ice cream bowl with many flavors. Maybe 10 scoops. It sounds impossible, but I want to try.
Wow, 10 scoops. I want to watch you try that. My dream meal is a huge pizza I can share with friends.
Sharing food makes it more fun. Eating together always feels warm and happy.
Yes, food tastes better with people we like. Even simple food becomes special.
Exactly. And talking about food with you today made me hungry.
Me too. After this, I might order something delicious. Maybe ice cream.
Good idea. I might get noodles. Old habits never die.
Enjoy your noodles. And thank you for this fun talk about our favorite foods.
Thank you too. See you next time on Happy Smile English.
See you. And next time, maybe we talk while eating something tasty.